Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Saturday, September 27, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years. Been working full-time for myself since 2018, and it's my true passion to help others generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So the wealth shift is here, folks. Silver hit $46 yesterday. In fact, the current price, I just checked this about 15 minutes ago, it was $46.31. So why this matters is because inflation is high, the dollar bill is weak, and the demand for silver is just continuously going up, all right? It's being used in all kinds of applications, and there's just a really high demand for it right now. So we know that with the high demand of something that there's only a limited amount of, it's going to drive the price, okay? And it's important, or I should say people are, I don't know if it's FOMO or what, but people are starting to realize how important silver really is, all right? It's a hedge against inflation, and it's a real tangible asset that is going to continue to go up in value. So people are trading in their fiat currency, which is backed by absolutely nothing, because every time our government or the feds print more and more money, it devalues our bill more, or the dollar bill more and more, right? So people are starting to see, even countries are starting to see, you know, it's just going on a super run. I mean, silver is something that should be in everybody's investment portfolio, all right? And what I'm doing to make it easy is I work with a company called Quicksilver. And what Quicksilver allows one to do is set up an auto wealth delivery to where you can have silver and/or gold shipped to your door every 30 days. Okay? And that is what I do. And that's what I'm stacking it. And everybody should be stacking it. And if you're already stacking it, you should continue to stack it and stack more of it. Because you know, the experts that I listen to, some are saying, and I think they could be right, some are saying that it could be $50 before the end of this month, which we only have a few days left. But if it keeps going up like it has this past week, it's very possible that we'll be at the $50 mark before the end of September. All right, now others are saying it could be at $70 before the end of the year. Others are saying it could be, $100+ sometime within the next year. But either way, they're all saying to start stacking silver if you're not already, and just to have it in your investment portfolio, right? Because you never know when anything, something's going to hit the fan, or the banks freeze funds, or the credit cards freeze your credit lines, or the electrical grid goes out and you need something to barter with. It's great to have silver on hand. And with Quicksilver, they allow you, there's something for everybody's budget, in other words, all right? We have fractional silver, we have 1 ounce coins, we have all kinds of things. We even have little trading metals that are, grains of silver. So if something ever were to happen and you needed, a loaf of bread or something to keep everything going, to keep you and your family alive, you could use something like one of these trading metals to barter with. So now is the time, folks. I mean, $46 is super exciting. And I'm by no means an expert in the silver industry or any precious metals, but I have been listening and trying to learn as much as I can about this. And they're all saying the same thing, that you want to be stacking it, right? So Quicksilver makes it super easy. They've been in business since 2019. They're based out of Florida. You can be a retail customer, you can become a preferred customer and get membership pricing by setting up an auto wealth delivery. And then we even have where you can become a wealth ambassador and start your own precious metals business and earn up to 7 different ways by sharing the opportunity with other people. All right, and that's what I'm doing. I'm all in with Quicksilver. I love everything about the company. The owners are super transparent. We have weekly overview calls, several of them. We have training calls if you're a wealth ambassador. We just have a really great team and it's fun. You know, I've been doing this a long time, and I can honestly say that this is the most fun opportunity that I've ever been a part of. And it's, you know, it's because of the fact that you're getting something of real value. You know, you're getting something of real value every single month, as opposed to, you know, just getting like a weight loss supplement or a shake or a potion or lotion or, you know, whatever else, you know. And I'm a part of those other companies, some of them, and I think they're great. But this is exciting. It's exciting to know that you have a package coming in the mail. The coins are absolutely beautiful. And it's just something of real value, something that is going to hold its value. All right. And it has been used for currency for thousands of years, all across the world. So, you know, if you're not stacking silver yet, now's the time to join. And I'll leave a link down below this video where you can come and check out Quicksilver, and they'll even give you a free bar of silver just for checking us out. All right, you just pay a nominal shipping fee. It's like $2.74 or something like that. So if you have any questions about any of this, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. But there is a wealth shift going on right now, and silver is going up like crazy. So if you have any questions, reach out. I'm here to help you out, and I hope you have a great rest of your day wherever you are. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.